Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's day 2 in Madrid in Spain. Hopefully you've seen the first video and that's come out okay. Today I've been on the metro and gone to another part of Madrid where I'm just basically going to walk back to my accommodation and do some street photography. Starting off in a park, I'm not even sure what it's called, but it's a massive park. I'm going to walk through that park and then through the streets back to my accommodation and see what sort of shots I can get. I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me. I've got the 22mm Pancake lens on. I find this is a great lens for this type of photography because some of the streets from yesterday were very thin streets, very narrow. Having a wide angle gave a nice perspective. So I've kept that on for today and hopefully we get some good shots. I've just had a nice cup of tea and a piece of toast and relaxing, so I'm going to move on and I'll catch up with you in a moment. So as per usual, I like to get a couple of warm-up shots in, so I'm on shutter priority at the moment just to get the feel of what the light is like. I'll take a picture of this busker here in Madrid, and then this chap on the right looked an interesting chap. I thought I'd get a picture of him. So this is just me warming up, getting used to the light, and this character looked interesting. I wish I was in front of him, but anyway, I got a picture of him from behind. And then this young chap here on the right. All these really are just warm-up shots. I'm walking towards the park. Now I'm in the park, and opposite I saw this violinist and thought we'd just get a shot of the violinist. As you can see, the 22mm is nice and wide. We're getting a lot of the scene in. So here I'm using the grass as a leading line up to this character, where I've got another photo of him. And there's lots of these characters around. And we've got this photo. I thought the girl's dress was just like the flowers on the right, so I thought that would take a nice one. Then we've got a local park keeper here. Then I'm using the fence as a bit of a leading line to this girl taking a selfie of herself. And here I saw lots of people looking over into the water, so I thought that'll take a nice shot, but then I needed to see what they were looking at. And these fish, although the photo's not brilliant, I just loved how the light from the sun was shining and making different shapes in the water. Then we've got somebody posing, not for me, but I was lucky. Then I love this leading line back to the building, and I've just got a character walking in front. Then we've got a harpist. There's lots of buskers in this park. It's a really wonderful park to walk through, really relaxing, especially on a day like today. And then there's lots of these people about that take photos, and they've got what looks like a massive big camera. Then you've got to get a picture of an umbrella, haven't you? It's not raining, but you see a lot of this to keep the sun off. And then we've just got a young girl sitting here on the bench, on the phone as usual, wherever you go in the world. Now I know I'm taking people shots, but I just had to get these. We've got some turtles here climbing up out of the water, and then we'd get one of this fountain. So I'm loving this 22mm lens. Oh, we've got another umbrella. We better get this one as well. Always makes interesting shots. And we've got a couple more buskers, musicians over there. And these two girls, I thought they were reasonably symmetrical with their legs crossed and both on the phone. And then here, this was interesting, locals playing chess in the park. And then again we've got another umbrella. I thought I'd get that shot. and a cyclist. Not the best of shots I've done, but there you go. Oh, we've got another umbrella. We've just got to take this one. And it was great. She turned round and she was posing for a photo, not from me, but it was just worked out perfectly for me. Now I've come out of the park and there's all these stalls along here, and I thought this was an interesting character looking at the books, and then another character walking along there, and then another interesting character on the left here just looking at the books. I just love this scene really. Okay, that brings us to the end of that video. I've been through the park and done lots of street type photography. Hopefully those photos come out okay. I'm now just about to change my lens and put a 56mm Sigma on, one of my favourite street photography lenses, and we'll create the next video. So you'll see that next week. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss that video.